So we are continuing with chapter 2 of history, new kings and kingdoms. And in this part, we will discuss about the kings from Afghanistan, Sultan Muhammad, Sultan Mahmud. So Sultan Mahmud, let's start with Sultan Mahmud box. And he was king of Afghanistan, especially Ghazni city, during 997 to 1030 AD, and he extended his kingdom over Central Asia and Indian subcontinent. So he used to he used to uh, he used to raid basically uh, various countries in Central Asia and subcontinent, not to extend his empire, but to uh, get the loot and go back to his country. So that was the thing that he used to do. So he used to basically raid uh, all the prosperous places in India and Indian subcontinent. So during those time, Indian subcontinent, uh, the most prosperous places in India was the temples, because people used to go there and give a lot of donations and money. So temples used to have a lot of money and lot of gifts and precious metals and stones. So this was the main center place for such people who used to come here for loots. So Sultan Mahmud used to come to Central Asia and Indian subcontinent to raid the temples, and he has come several times to raid Somnath temple, which is there in Gujarat. About about these raids, it is mentioned in Kitabul Hind, which is written by Al-Baruni. Al-Baruni, Sultan Mahmud employed Al-Baruni for writing these chronicles about his raids and his expeditions in Central Asia and subcontinent. And this book is written in Arabic. Okay. Similarly, there was another king in Afghanistan, Sultan Gori. He used to he used to have a tough fight with the Rajput king, Prithviraj Chauhan. Now, who was Prithviraj Chauhan III? So Prithviraj Chauhan was basically a Chahman. So Chahman uh, were people from Ajmer and Delhi and Ajmer area, and nowadays they are called Chauhans. Okay, and Prithviraj Chauhan was very prominent king of Chahmans, and he, since that area lies at the border uh, with the Western countries like Afghanistan, so they were the first people to have fight with uh, whenever Sultan Gori used to come here, used to come to India. So he fought battle with Prithviraj Chauhan, and Prithviraj Chauhan won it. But next time when Gori came, Prithviraj Chauhan lost it. Okay. So now these Chahmans also used to fight. They also wanted to extend their areas. They were located around Delhi and Ajmer, and they also wanted to extend over UP and Gujarat. But in UP, they used to get tough fight with Gahdalwas, and in Gujarat, they used to get fight with Chalukyas. So mainly they were located in the Delhi and Ajmer region. Uh, okay, so Sonishka, you have any doubt on this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, from where Chauhan's fight with UP and Gahdarwas, and who were Gahdarwas?
So Gahdalwas were just like Chahmans. So Chahmans were people, or you can say dynasty, in Ajmer region. Okay, so those people were called Chahmans, and nowadays they are called Chauhans. So Prithviraj Chauhan was one of the king belonging to that clan or that dynasty. So in the same way, in UP there were also another dynasty called Gahdalwas during that time. Okay, and in Gujarat there were Chalukyas. So that way, this is the name of dynasty actually. Just like you
Okay,
have
sir.
surnames like Mishra and Shukla, and these surnames are there. So those times, the royal dynasties were named after. Uh, they had some name, so it was just a name for people in UP during those times. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir, I didn't understand that Sultan Muhammad, this mind map was Sultan Mahmud one. Can you explain it again?
Okay, Sultan Mahmud was in Afghanistan, and he used to come to India to mainly raid the temples. Okay, raiding the temple means to loot the temple because temples had a lot of money. So he used to come here and he will loot the temple, and he'll take back the loot and all those precious metals and money. He'll take it back to his city. Where was his city? In Ghazni, in Afghanistan.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
so that was his way of doing it. All about his raids and loots, it has been mentioned in Kitabul Hind, which is written by Al Baruni.
Al-Burni, who was employed by Sultan Mahmud,
Yes,
and this book was written in Arabic.
yes. Okay. So if you have any more questions,
So, sir, they were in ancient times. There were very important wars in temples only, or anything else like land or in between Yamuna or Kaveri, like rivers, something.
yes.
Or
So
the temples were
land was
also
important.
important.
Land was important. So people who came to India to rule the country, like Mughals. Mughals came here to stay here and to rule the country. But there were other people like Gori and Sultan Mahmud. These people only came to loot. Okay, and you cannot loot the land. You will loot something. Let's say if you go to some village and you loot only the some crops and wheat and rice, then you'll have to take that way back to Afghanistan, so many thousand kilometers. So you will take something which is very precious, like gold, silver, or precious metals like sapphire. So all those things which is very precious, diamonds, that you will take. So he used to. That's why he used to raid temples because temples had a lot of these things.
Okay, sir. There were these dots only. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now, Soneshka, can you explain the whole thing?
Yes, sir. Should I explain?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Hello guys, I am going to explain again this mind map of Sultan Mahmud, Sultan Gauri, Prithviraj Chauhan and Chahmans. First I'll start with Sultan Mahmud. Sultan Mahmud lived in Afghanistan in and in Ghazni city. He ruled till 997 till 1030 AD. He extended Central Asia and subcontinent, and in that area, he used to raid temples in Somnath in Gujarat. And the wealth from the temples in Somnath from Gujarat, all the other temples, where where the wealth where he made a city, a Ghazni city, which he was living in. He also employed Al Burni to wrote about Central Asia and subcontinent, which book name is Kitabul Hind, which is written in Arabic.
Okay.
Then about Sultan Ghori, he used to also live in Afghanistan in Ghazni city around 100 1191 AD, and he first won and then he lost with Prithviraj Chauhan which he was one of the king in Chahmans, which also called as Chauhans nowadays. The Chahmans or the Chauhans ruled in Delhi and Ajmer, and as to fight a Sultan Gauri, the Chahmans also fought with Gujarat and Chalukyas, and as Gujarat and Chalukyas also, the Chahmans also fight with UP and in Ghadanvals.
In UP, no, no. So basically, Chahmans used to fight with Chalukyas. They used to fight Chalukyas, and they were in Gujarat. Okay, so that's why
Okay.
they are not able to extend beyond Gujarat or even Gujarat also. So they used to fight in UP with Gahdalwas. So Gahdalwas were people who lived in UP, and Chalukyas had control on Gujarat. Okay.
So we cannot call that Gujarat Patiharas. In the book is called Gujarat Patiharas as Chalukyas also.
Yes, they were also in Gujarat. They were
Okay,
also in
sir.
Gujarat. Yes. Okay. So this is second part of chapter 2. We'll continue
New
the
kings
third
and
part,
kingdoms.
New Kings and Kingdom. We'll continue the third part after this. Okay. Thank you.